Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If life has ever knocked you down, left you wondering why this thing happened to me, then this video is for you. Because we are going to talk about something that can completely change how you feel about your past, shifting your perspective of what had happened to you, especially the painful moments, so that you can transform loss into growth and wisdom. Section 1, why perspective is everything. Now let us understand why perspective matters the most. For example, two people go through the same event in their life. One may become bitter while other may become wiser. What is the difference? Perspective. Our mind creates a story about what has happened, and that is the story which we carry. We can't control what happened in our past, but what can we control is what it teaches us. Every experience holds multiple meanings. For example, losing a job can feel like a failure, but it also creates space for your purpose to come out and to rise. So these are the two different perspectives, and it depends on how we see and think about them. So remember, loss is not always a punishment. Sometimes universes remove something from our path just to heal us, to protect us, or to prepare for something which is going to come up. Section 2, how to shift your perspective on painful experiences. So now let us talk about what we can actually do in order to shift your perspective. Step number 1, accept what happened. Stop replaying it shouldn't have happened in this way. It did happen. Accept it. Accepting it doesn't mean that you are liking it. It means that you are ready to stop fighting with the past and choosing to grow and move forward. Step 2, ask empowering questions. Instead of asking why me, ask what did it teach me? What strength did I gain? What did this remove from my life that I couldn't remove myself? This will turn your pain into insights. Step 3, write down a new story. Take a journal and write down about what happened and then rewrite it with what it means to you right now. For example, I didn't fail, I evolved. You can make a simple list such as loss. This loss gave me this lesson, which in short gave me this power. Step 4, trust the unseen good. Sometimes we don't see why until months and years later. But growth is always happening, even in the silence. So you can affirm by saying, what left me made the space for what was meant for me. I trust that my life is leading me to somewhere better. Section 3, real life example of loss becoming a blessing. Now let us talk about few examples where we can see how the loss can actually turn into blessing in disguise. First, loss of a friendship or relationship. Now that space can be filled with someone who sees the real you and values you. Second, missed an opportunity. Maybe your soul wasn't ready at that point of time, or maybe there are better things written for you ahead. Third, failed at something. Failure may have humbled you, refined you, and even prepared you for something bigger and especially your bigger purpose. Fourth, got rejected. Rejection is often divine protection. That delay might have actually been your biggest blessing. Fifth, lost a version of yourself. Maybe it was simply time. That version helped you to survive but not to thrive. Section 4, practices to help you reframe loss. First, journal prompts for healing perspective. What does this situation actually teach me? How did it showed me about what I truly wanted, deserved, and desired? What part of me grew because of this? Second, practice gratitude for hard lesson. Say thank you for the growth I didn't ask for but needed deep within. Third, meditation visualization. Close your eyes and picture your old past self sitting with that pain. Now visualize the higher self whispering to the self that you didn't lose anything. You found you, the better you. Fourth, share your story. When you're ready, share your healed version to others. What once made you cry may one day become the light for someone else. Section 5, signs you have successfully shifted your perspective. You will know you have done this inner work when you feel lighter and no longer emotionally triggered. You talk about the past with wisdom and not with blame. You no longer need closure because you gave it to yourself. You feel grateful for your resilience. You stop asking why me and start saying thank you. And most importantly, you feel free. Now, here's the takeaway. Life isn't just what has happened to you, it is what you do with it. Past is already written, but how you carry it forward, it's completely your decision. You are allowed to turn pain into power, confusion into clarity, and loss into light. You didn't lose anything, you lived it. You learned it, you become more you, and that is what the most important transformation of all. And yeah, that's it for this video. If this video and message resonated with you or helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care and see you all in the next one.